Good morning! Come in a day in the life with us. Nag-work na ako kanina pa, but I'm just gonna do my skincare. I woke up so early today. And I had a late night last night because cousins are here and they played all night. So there. We're just gonna do our skincare first.
Then sleeping time.
Then sleeping time, you silly. You're not gonna sleep. You're gonna start your day. Right? Here you go. Demi's toothbrush.
Oh, toothbrushy.
Toothbrush. Demi, can you put those away? Can you put those on the side so you can use your sink, please? Thank you.
Thank you, Kitty.
Also, look at my hair. We did it yesterday. We colored it. There's a few patches, but it's okay. It's cute still.
And also this one.
Oh, also, someone had her highlights. Someone had blue highlights. You'll see it in the sun, but not much when it's this dark. There's a few highlights in there.
Oh, and it's
Right?
purple.
And it's purple. Wow. Very fertile. Skincare time. Okay, what are you? This one first.
Oh.
This is her vitamin D.
That's the
We
thing.
need
I
that
like
here.
it then.
You don't get much sun, and we need vitamin D every day.
And also to buy one.
And we need to buy one. It's not pouring. Wait, let me see. Tick tock. Takes a while. It's coming out.
Then, come in.
Still not coming out. It's a little bit okay. One. She gets 3. 3 drops. I don't know if this helps. Does this help?
Mommy.
Does this help?
Yes. Mommy, that's how I had that much one.
Okay, it's coming. 2. That's 1.
Mom,
It's still on.
Mom, look.
It's still on. See?
Oh,
Then what's next?
spray time.
Spray time.
No, cream time.
Okay, use your cream. This is what I use for toner right now. It's like a screen. Oil.
Mommy,
with
do you do
serum.
my bum bum?
I do your bum bum? Okay.
Yes, and then remove this. So you just see my
Wait.
bum.
Arm. And
Poopy
you want me to
time.
do your arm, eyes? Wait.
No.
This one.
Just a little bit.
Because this one dries up. We don't want this one to dry up.
Booby.
This one.
Booby. 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 Mommy, Miss uses baby and daddy bigger.
I know it is. Then after that, I'm gonna use this. I got a free, what's this? Vitamin C and E in Sephora. Mga sample nila pinapamigay pag nag-order ka. So I'm just using it up.
Nobody should see.
Your kilikili? Oh my, stinky. Done. What else do we need? I need the spray. Did you use your sprays yet?
No. And then use mine.
Another spray. Dalba.
This is mine.
Serum spray.
Ooh.
And last one. Oh, two more. I used this. I just saw it in Facebook. Na maganda daw. So, oh well, try it.
Don't forget my spray, Mom.
You're the one who used that spray.
But what about yours?
Did you use my spray? You can use it if you want. Okay.
I can use it tomorrow.
Okay.
Use this one.
Babe, I'm done with mine. I already used two sprays. Then Demi's using this facial mist, cucumber, green tea, and aloe.
It's made of cucumber.
And it makes her face cold. Does it make your face cold? Did you put cream on your
elbow?
Yeah.
Yes.
And on your boo boo?
Yes.
I don't see anything on your boo boo yet. Meron kasi siyang eczema sa mga
Mommy, what's eczema?
That's your boo boo. Lip balm. I use this. This is from the dentist. Dentist lip balm.
Where's the pink one?
I'll get it. This
No,
is
the pink bottle lip balm.
Yeah,
Like
I
that
said
one.
I'm gonna get it. I don't know where the. Oh, okay.
It's like that. It's like
I
that.
think it's here. There it is. Let's go.
Pinky.
I'll get the other one. And I use this Laneige to top it off. Kasi lagi nagdadry yung lips ko. Open it. Did you put all of it?
Yeah.
Did you put some in your kilikili?
Yes.
I'll put the pink one too. There. So that's our skincare. Oh, we put this one on Demi's hair.
And Mommy's hair.
Kasi laging nagbubuhol-buhol yung buhok niya. So I put oil on it. So, hindi siya magbubuhol-buhol, right? Comb it. This one. Is it buhol-buhol still? Okay.
Yes, it is.
See, there's her highlights. I can see it. You like it?
Why there's a lot?
Okay. We're just gonna put on our good morning clothes.
Nobody should see me naked.
See you in a bit after. You jump. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! And now we're ready for today. Go down.
I was going down. Carry my phone.
Be careful.